Pandan. Life in Luciana Laguna was a gradual and peaceful process that followed the rhythm of the mountains surrounding the small town. Fresh breezes permeated everything, including the scent of palm oil trees and damp earth. It was a place where people sought relaxation through peaceful surroundings such as waterfalls and quiet, rather than excitement. Pandan constitute one of the items mentioned. Outsiders may have been perceived pandan as nothing more than a plant. The people of Luciana had a distinct perspective on it. The story that had been passed down through generations were infused with the fragrant green leaves which were then used to wrap rice and desserts in basket. Pandan wasn't simply a leaf, it was the heart of the town. Why? Pandan was Mira's upbringing. Nana Sabel's grandmother woven it into mats and baskets, and she observed its significance and the comfort it brought her. It was just there. She was sitting on the porch weaving pandan leaves into a simple basket, and her cousin Carlo looked at her with an eyebrow raised. He asked, "Are you fond of that?"
It's just putting it in the basket.
Mira looked back at him and acknowledged that the object was not solely basketball.
Carlo,
She said softly,
there's a broader meaning to the term pandan. That's part of our identity, our food, stories, and traditions.
"It's just a leaf." Mira shook her hand and never her hands to weave in another row of leaves.
It's more than just a leaf. The story of this location is preserved in pandan. Our weaving, rice consumption, and basket making activities all involve this element. According to my lola, each pandan has a memory. Our weaving involves the telling of stories.
She was still in the moment as Carlo looked at her. "Stories? From the plant?" Mira chuckled and took in her word with a smile.
You'll see. You must experience it and not just comprehend it. You cannot grow up in this place without feeling attached to the land and its inhabitants. The way we remembered everything alive through this method.
Carlo removed the basket from her, still looking a bit suspicious, but finding something in her words stuck. The weaving's rhythm seemed to convey more than just the act of creating. Even as he sat beside her, he had not realized he had not found the quiet, common sense understanding. He didn't just observe the leaves, but also felt a sense of mere significance.